Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this boy Sam from Armada Trading here, and today, guys, we're going to be jumping straight into HCMC, Healthier Choices Management Corp. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I'm currently recording this video at near enough 1 a.m. in the UK, so if you guys appreciate the grind, then please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. It really helps the channel out, and, you know, thank you all of you for supporting us and giving us a voice on YouTube. It's absolutely insane. But anyway, moving into HCMC. So, you may be wondering, what is HCMC? I've never heard of this company. Well, neither have I, to be honest, until I've been looking around Reddit. So, Healthier Choices Management Corp provides e-liquids, vaporizers, and related products. The company operates through natural and organic retail stores and vapor product segments. Its vaporizers are battery-powered products that enable users to inhale nicotine vapor without smoke, tar, ash, or carbon monoxide. The company sells its e-liquid under the Vape Store brand name. It sells its products through 10 vape retail stores in the southeast region of the United States. In addition, it offers fresh produce, bulk orders, and private label products, vitamins and supplements, packaged groceries, meat and seafood, deli, baked goods, dairy products, and substitutes, frozen foods, health and beauty products, and natural items through ADA's Natural Market, a natural grocery and organic store. Right, so basically, long story short, HCMC specializes in vape products, but they also have a grocery element attached to it. So, if you are wondering why, like, sort of why HCMC is currently talked about a lot, it's because they have a lot of things that are very dependable factors that if it happens, the company could go up a lot in value. And I'm going to talk about them after we get into the shareholder statistics, and I want to do a quick talk about net cash flow, because right now their financial analysis statistics were also very difficult to find, but I did find their shareholding position. So the major breakdown of their shareholding statistics was 21.88% of their shares are currently held by insiders within the company. So those insiders include Fraser Kevin, who is the chief executive officer. He owns 5 million shares. Galazan Isaac, who owns 4 million shares. And also, as majority shareholders, there's 0.01% owned by institutions and 0.01% of float held by institutions. And that's through the holder statistics. Now, going to their financial reports. Now, I had to go through Yahoo Finance to actually find this, because normally on Moomoo, I actually get a chart of my financial statistics. However, I couldn't find them, and I think it's just because of the size of the company. But I had to go over to Yahoo Finance to actually find these statistics. So I'm not sure how good they are, but we're gonna break them down anyway. So, looking at this graph, they are currently doing a lot better than they were in 2018, that's for sure. 2018 seems to have been a rough year. We don't really have their to-date numbers. I mean, yeah, I'm guessing this is today sort of thing. Can I get a quarterly? Let's do quarterly. That's a lot better. We'll do a quarterly cash flow. So, quarterly, they are currently better than their last quarter, but still not as good as their month in March 30th. I'm getting my dates mixed around, because if you don't know, the UK's dates are different to the US's dates. So we always have the date, or like the day, the month, and then the year. Whereas in the US, they always do the month, then the day, and then the year. So that's why I'm getting a bit mixed up with it. So September, that would be September 29th. Their operating cash flow was minus 642. I'm not sure. In thousands. So minus 642,000. Their investing cash flow was 13,000 positive. Finance cash flow 2,000 positive. End cash position was it would be like 4 million. 4 million out of all these. So pretty much, guys, their cash flows are not looking too bad. So they are actually in not a bad financial position. It could be better, but it also could be a lot worse for them. So that is one of the factors of why this company could go up in value because their shares, I think, are actually very undervalued compared to their cash flows. So moving on now, we're going to have a look at their short position. So there was an article that I found, and this was through OTC, that apparently on the 12th of February, the short percentage volume was 39.35%, which I thought was extraordinarily high. And I was like, is this real? Now, I did a bit of digging, and a lot of these different websites are saying completely different things. So OTC is reporting 39.35%. However, Fintel only had around 8%. Hi guys, I thought I'd quickly insert this into the video, like midway through. I just recently recorded a Hcmc video, and I did say about Fintel having an 8% short interest. Now, I'd just like to put that out there that I actually was looking at the wrong company, so that is completely my fault. And within this video, I just want to make it clear that Fintel have currently got the short ratio of Hcmc at 124%. So guys, my apologies, I messed up in this video, and please forgive me, don't slaughter me, please. So I'm not really sure who to believe in this situation. I may have just, I may have just done something wrong, but those are the statistics that I saw. But I'm more inclined to believe OTC because Fintel have lied to us in the past with the whole AMC situation. So I'm going to go with the OTC one for now, unless you lot tell me otherwise in the comments, because I may have just got it completely wrong. But for now, I'm going to go with 39.35%, which if that is the case, guys, this is a very heavily shorted stock, and we could potentially see a squeeze coming, I don't know when, but soon, which will also inflate the price of HCMC, like very temporarily. But also, guys, we did see a massive decrease, well, not a massive decrease, but a minor decrease in the share price today. So you saw that it was at 0.0049, and now in post-market, we're at 0.040. So it's gone down by 0.9 of a penny. But, it still adds up at the end of the day, right? Because that is a bit of a percentage decrease. So where I think that HCMC is going to go, now for every positive reaction on the market, there has to be an equal negative reaction. And I think this is just a negative reaction right now to potentially see a positive. I'm hoping around 0.06. Now, I have been looking at quite a few forecast places, and I looked at a place called Stock Wallet Investors, and they currently have HCMC as an annual share price of $1. Now, I think that is a very optimistic prediction, and I'm really interested to know where they got that number from, because I think that one is very optimistic. I think for that share price to happen, a lot of things are going to have to become right in HCMC. I can see HCMC, if they win their current lawsuit, and if they keep expanding the company and they keep selling their vape products into different states, then I can see their price actually expanding and inflating, maybe to the 0.5. I can give it a 50p, 50 cents, or wherever you're from. 50p, 50 cents. So that's where I can see HCMC going. But, if you lot know something that I don't, then please do let me know. And for anyone who doesn't know anything about this lawsuit that they're in, so Healthier Choices versus Philip Morris. In 2019, Healthier Choices launched a patented device for vaping that concentrates under the Q unit brand. This is important because the company has filed a patent infringement lawsuit against international tobacco giant Philip Morris in relation with its popular IQOS heat not burn products. Healthier Choices is not the first company to enter a patent battle over IQOS. British American Tobacco had the same idea earlier in 2020. IQOS is pretty popular on the international stage, and Philip Morris claims it has already sold devices to 12.7 million people worldwide. So if HCMC wins this lawsuit, which if they do have a patent on this product, then, and if that patent is authorized by whoever's running this case, then HCMC will see a big increase in value. Now, whether it's going to be $1, I doubt it, but we could see, I could say 50 cents. And I'm not sure what you guys think about this. I may be undervaluing it completely and missing the mark. But from all the data that I have available to me today, I can see it hitting 50 cents within the next year. So that is still a massive increase from where we see it now at 0.004 to potentially 0.5. So that is a very big percentage increase. Hey guys, before we end this video as well, because I forgot to put it in the other video, I just want to mention that I am in no way, shape or form a financial advisor. And please take anything I say with a pinch of salt. I'm simply a university student studying business and management, and I just happen to have an interest for the stock market. And as I learn, I want to share my knowledge with you guys. So yeah, on to the outro. So guys, that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any something to hit that like button and subscribe for new. We are almost at 200 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you for watching. This is B-Boy Sam from Armada Trading. I'll see you in the next video on the channel. In a bit, guys.